The required service functionality, which is an enhancement to your online booking system, allows the business to specify that when a specific service is selected, a mandatory service must also be selected to complete that online booking. This solves the problem of a client not choosing an essential required service as part of the booking process by making it an easy step-by-step process. An example of this would be whenever a colour is selected, the client must choose a service from the list of other services. For this example, we are going to use a blow dry or cut and blow dry. To set this up, we need to access Shortcuts Cloud. To do that, go to pos.shortcutsoftware.com.au and log in using your usual login details. Next, come to Menu and select Item Setup. Here you'll find Related Services. When in Related Services Setup screen, you can see any existing related services that you may have already configured. To add a new one, simply hit New. First, we need to start by giving this related service a name. Again, for this example, we'll use Finish Required with Colour Service. It's an active relationship, and this specific relationship is required, meaning it's going to be a mandatory service. First, we need to select the primary services. The primary services will be the service your client chose to have to start with, for example, a colour. You can either click both categories, one category, or you can open up and expand the list by clicking on the down arrow and deselect certain services that you do not wish to be required in this relationship. For this example, I'll leave all selected. I've now selected my primary services. The next thing to do is to select the services that are required. So by going Selected Services and coming in here, and I'm going to choose my ladies' cuts that can finish off a colour, or certain style blow dries. Don't forget to hit Done at the bottom of this window so that your selection is saved and comes across to the main screen. We are now complete. This relationship has been configured and will be finalised by hitting Save at the bottom of the screen. Once you've finished setting up your related service, this will now be live on your online booking screen. As you can see here, whenever a colour is selected, it will present the option of required services that are needed to complete this booking.